Jai Hind everyone, this is Aditya Dubey, Vice President, Centurion Defense Academy, and today I'm delighted to share a success story of Anshika Joshi, who is from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, and she has been the student of our Dehradun Center. And the best part of Anshika is she has got 20 All India rank in girls and 200 in overall. So, first of all, heartiest congratulations to Anshika and welcome to this talk show.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
So, Anshika, obviously, first I would like to know your expressions because स्टूडेंट्स तैयारी तो करते हैं लेकिन जब सफल हो जाते हैं तो वास्तव में उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस उनके एक्सप्रेशंस में काफ़ी एक चेंज आता है तो आपने अंशिका बिफोर सिलेक्शन और अंशिका आफ्टर सिलेक्शन क्या चेंजेस आप महसूस कर पा रहे हैं?
So I think I've become more disciplined. I've got a more disciplined lifestyle now. I work on myself. I work on my physical fitness as well. So mostly the drastic change that I've seen is this only that I wake up by myself early in the morning and I go to gym also and do running as well. So I think this disciplined lifestyle that I've inherited after the selection. Before selection, I kept on slacking off also sometimes. But now I know that I have to do this every day, so I do it.
You are able to visualize your routine very closely now
Yes, sir.
and you are trying to make yourself ready peacefully without any anxiety.
Right, sir.
Right, right. So once more, I would say congratulations to you as well as to your all family members and mother father के expressions क्या हैं कैसे कैसा लग रहा है mother and father.
So they are also like me only. They also are changing their lifestyle with me. My father goes running with me every day. So he's also like inheriting that Fauji lifestyle in himself. That now our daughter is going into the armed forces. So we also have to change it like that. We also have to be disciplined, and the household has to be disciplined and structured in a manner. My siblings also are motivated and they also study in a manner. They also ask me for tips. So yeah, that kind of changes are there in the home as well.
ट्रूली अंशिका आपके सरनेम में ही जोश है राइट तो आपने उसे प्रूव किया है एंड बिल्कुल स्टेप वन से शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि ये टॉक शो बहुत से नए डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स को मोटिवेट करने वाला है क्योंकि आप हमारे रिटन प्लस एसएसबी बैच के स्टूडेंट हैं और हमने भी आपको बहुत ही क्लोजली माइन्यूटली ऑब्जर्व किया है आपकी सिंसियरिटी आपके डेडिकेशन को लेकर के हर टीचर का एक बहुत अच्छा रिव्यू रहा है और आपकी जो स्पार्क जो आप में शुरू से रहा है चीज़ों को सुनने का ऑब्जर्व करने का वो वास्तव में कमेंडेबल है सो हम लोग बिल्कुल स्टेप वन से शुरू करते हैं हाउ यू गॉट टू नो अबाउट सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी एंड योर फीलिंग्स व्हेन यू केम फर्स्ट डे.
So after I gave my 12th board examinations, I started searching for defense academies nearby Dehradun or which are the best defense academy in India. So I came across many defense academies along with Centurion. So I gave a call in every academy, and then after knowing that what are the activities performed here and the selection ratio here, especially in girls as well, I thought that this is the best academy for me, and it's near to my home as well. I can live in Dehradun and then come to my home every month also. So I chose this academy, and then when I came here, I got to know that yes, the selection ratio is good, and the classes are also as shown in the pictures online.
Since you have got 20th rank in girls, so really it is a great achievement. And I would like to know about your strategy of written exam. रिटन एक ऐसा पड़ाव है जिसको लेकर के बच्चों में वास्तव में बहुत डिस्कशन रहता है और कई बार तो सही स्ट्रैटेजी और सही सूझबूझ ना होने के कारण वो एक अच्छा सा मौका मिस कर देते हैं तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस रिटन का कैसा रहा किस तरह से आपने अपनी अपने उन नेगेटिविटीज़ को ओवरकम किया क्योंकि कभी ना कभी तो ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं ये सब्जेक्ट मिस कर रहा हूँ मुझे ये भी पढ़ना है मुझे अभी मैथ्स में और कवर करना है और मुझे अपने इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में और अच्छा करना है वोकैबलरी वोकैबलरी तो मतलब अनलिमिटेड कहाँ तक पढ़ें करंट अफेयर्स कहाँ तक पढ़ें ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स रहते हैं तो रिटन स्ट्रैटेजी आप शेयर करें और ये वास्तव में आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी बच्चों को बहुत मोटिवेट करेगी और उन्हें एक सही एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा क्योंकि टीचर्स का एक्सपीरियंस एक लेवल पर है लेकिन जो एक तरह से कंपेनियन है, जो कॉमरेडरी आप शेयर करने जा रहे हैं वो वास्तव में स्पेशल होगी। प्लीज शेयर।
So for written examination, my main focus was on the mock tests only. Because for my first attempt, I actually read all the subjects that there were in the syllabus, be it history, politics. So I thought that the thing I'm lacking is I'm studying every subject and not studying according to the weightage. So when we first came here, sir told us about all the teachers told us about the weightages of the respective subjects. So then I studied according to that, and then I saw my performance in the mock test. The performance was decent in the mock test, and then I analyzed it also, that which subjects I'm lacking in, and I also focused on maths specifically. And in GAT also I saw that which subjects I'm lacking in. My English was decent at the beginning only. My vocab was good. I used to read also and watch movies in English only. So my vocab was decent, and also you also gave us many words, so I used to learn by that technique that you told us. So that technique also helped me a lot in the examination because the elimination method works. And talking about other subjects, I think my main focus was maths only. And in GAT, I saw that जिन सब्जेक्ट्स की वेटेजेस कम है उनको मैं थोड़ी लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी में रखूं, जैसे करंट अफेयर्स की वेटेज ज़्यादा नहीं है. सो आई केप्ट दैट इन द लीस्ट प्रायोरिटी ऑफ माइंड. सो करंट अफेयर्स में जितना घुसो वो बहुत वास्ट सब्जेक्ट है और इतना तुम्हें याद भी नहीं रहता है एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन में जाके. सो आई रेड करंट अफेयर्स, क्लासेस होती थी करंट अफेयर्स की, आई यूज टू अटेंड दैट ऑल द टाइम. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट ऑल, साइंस पे मेरा मेन फोकस था क्योंकि मेरी स्ट्रीम साइंस की है. सो आई फोकस्ड ऑन साइंस एंड देन केप्ट ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट्स सेकेंडरी, एंड फोकस्ड ऑन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज 200 मार्क्स इटसेल्फ. सो उसको कवर करना इम्पोर्टेंट था. बाकी सर मेरा मैथ्स बहुत अच्छा गया था. मैथ्स में मेरे 120 अराउंड स्कोर था, एंड गैट में मेरा 280 अराउंड स्कोर था. सो बेसिकली दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश ओनली, क्योंकि मेरा इंग्लिश में 150 प्लस स्कोर चला गया था. एंड फिर बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में मैंने साइंस में कवर कर लिया था. हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी मैंने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था, बट मैंने पढ़ा था.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद आ रहा है कि जब मैं वोकेबलरी सुनता था तो आप जनरली हैंड रेज करके उसके रिप्लाई देते थे और एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करते थे. सो वो स्पार्क बच्चों में दिखता है, एंड यू यूज टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव लिसनर. मतलब कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि आपको स्कोल्ड किया गया हो, आपने अपना वर्क ना किया हो. अटेंटिव रहना और हर चीज़ को ध्यान से सुनना बहुत अच्छा है. सो एंड कमिंग टू एसएसबी पार्ट, डे वन जब आपका 5 एएसबी गुवाहाटी रहा है तो वहाँ पे एसएसबी की एक पूरी मेमोरी बन जाती है. ये आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ही रहा है?
Yes, before SSB, I was a
वाह,
fresher.
गोल्डन अटेम्प्ट, राइट? तो
Yes.
चूंकि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट आपका था, एसएसबी का कोई ऐसा प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, तो फर्स्ट डे आपका स्क्रीनिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? और सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में जो आपने पीपीएनडीटी की क्लासेस अटेंड करी, उनसे आपको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ? कैसे आपने स्क्रीनिंग क्वालिफाई किया? देन आपका 4 डेज का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? प्लीज शेयर.
So for the first day, the board that I reported in had very less reporting. When we were standing outside of the board only, I saw that many less candidates are there. So I also interacted with them. Some of them were freshers, many of them were repeaters as well. So I thought that the competition here is pretty less. So I have to make it in the first day also. So when we went inside, the OIR was the set that I have already practiced in coaching. It was OIR set 34 and 35. So with Rohit sir, we had practiced it in the coaching, the same set. So then the OIR went really well. I attempted all the questions and it went really good. So I'm assuming that I got OIR 1 or something. And for the PPDT, the picture that came was very neutral. So everybody made different stories. So that was the catch, that everybody made different stories and we had to come to a same conclusion only. So in the PPDT, there was too much, noise, and everybody was giving their own points. I was in the freshers group, so freshers, there is this chance that everybody listens. In repeaters, there is this thing that they don't listen. So in our group, everybody was understanding, everybody was listening at others' points as well. So हमारा जो पीपीडीटी का कंक्लूजन था वो बहुत जल्दी निकल गया था. उन्होंने मतलब कुछ ऐसा भी नहीं बोला था कि अभी तुम रुक जाओ. उन्होंने ग्रुप डिवाइड करा था हमारा, क्योंकि शुरू में काफी ज्यादा जो हसल बसल होता है वो हो रहा था. So we came to a conclusion that was similar to my story. My story was related to a college going kid who are preparing for their exhibition along with their teacher's help. So I think if this conclusion came according to my story, that was the point also that they noticed कि इसने थोड़ा सा influence करा है group को. And बाकी बच्चों की जिनकी story मेरे से similar थी, they were also letting me speak. So I think that was the point where I thought that मेरा screening तो clear हो जाएगा क्योंकि PPTT में अच्छा perform किया है. Narration भी मेरा अच्छा था. भले ही मैंने group discussion में अपने points रखे हों, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं बोला जितना लोग dominate करने की कोशिश करते हैं. But मैंने अपने हिसाब से अच्छा बोला था and that according to that I was screening.
यहाँ सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में अप्रॉक्स कितनी पीपीएनडीटी आपने की थी और क्या यहाँ पे आप स्क्रीन इन हो जाते थे?
Yes, sir. I don't remember me getting screened out here. I got two D's or Y or D at times. I barely got an N in the PPDT here. So here I performed approximately 8 PPDTs because I took two batches here, one of 21 days and one of 14 days. So four PPDTs were there in each of the batches. So I took 8 PPDTs here.
ये रिटन बैच के स्टूडेंट्स का एडवांटेज है कि उन्हें दो दो बार एसएसबी अटेंड करने को मिल जाता है और चूंकि रिटन बैच के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनका एसएसबी एडेड प्रोग्राम है, उनको अलग से एसएसबी नहीं ज्वाइन करना होता है. सो वेरी गुड. एंड अंशिका, अगर तीनों को आप देखें, इंटरव्यू, साइकोलॉजी और जीटीओ, तो आप एक नटशेल में, एक सिंगल लाइन में आप क्या बताना चाहेंगी? कौन सा सेक्शन आपका स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट सेक्शन था जिसने आपको एसएसबी में AIR 200 और गर्ल्स में AIR 20 लाने में मदद की?
Sir, I think my GTO was pretty good. I don't know about psych because psych मेरा यहाँ पे अच्छा रहता था, but वहाँ पे मेरे को नहीं पता कि उन्होंने कैसे असेस करा है. पर GTO में I was sure कि मैंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. इंडिविजुअल ऑब्स्टिकल्स मैंने सारे परफॉर्म करे थे एंड बाकी जो टास्क हुए थे उसमें भी आई फेल्ट दैट द GTO was quite a bit impressed. And बाकी जो abstract field के टेस्ट होते, GP, GD, lecturate, all of them went good for me because of Amit sir's guidance. He also told me many GP tricks that helped the structure of writing the GP. So that helped really well. So I think the GTO was the main thing that got me through because my GTO went really well.
And coming to interview, any of the experiences where you had unique questions that you did not think of, something that was, apart from your expectation?
So I think something that was apart from my expectation was my interview was like my interviewer was really frank with me. Like he was cracking jokes and laughing himself only. I was sitting pretty serious. I was not laughing and all, but he was cracking jokes himself, laughing himself, and he was really frank with me because he was taking my interview mostly PIT based only. He was not asking that many GK questions. Along the end, he did ask me GK questions, and I replied to them because I was prepared that way. कि GK questions भी पूछे जाएंगे, Air Force से related questions भी पूछे जाएंगे. But he was very frank and asking me about my family, my place, where you're from, and how will you take me, where will you take me if I come there. So he was really frank with me in the whole interview, but I was pretty serious because Banu sir told me that he will be frank with you have to be serious.
Okay, and further, I would like to know about experience of Raniti book authored by our founder director, Sir Shishir Dikshit sir. You must have interacted with sir multiple times because sir keeps giving motivation in written batches also. So please share your experience of Raniti book and about overall motivation of our visionary leader, Shishir Dikshit sir.
So I think Raniti book helped me a lot in the site for me because in Raniti book the recommended candidates column is there where the dossier is written printed. So I used to scroll through the girls who are going for Air Force FSB boards. I used to scroll through their dossiers and see that what kind of PPT, what kind of PATs they are writing and what kind of WATs they are writing. So I used to inherit that into my dossier. So I think that helped a lot from Raniti book and OIR and all those things. GTO techniques are also there. All the kind of obstacles are also mentioned there with pictures. So that is also a real help. And then when you see that in Raniti book and perform that in the outdoors itself, that is a very you have a very good idea or vision of what you have to do in the FSB itself. And talking about Shishir sir, I've had two or three interactions with him. Once he came in the written batch, and twice he came in the SSB batch. And whenever he used to come, he used to give us motivation, and he used to teach us psych also. So whenever he used to come, I used to feel this kind of energy in me that I'm sitting in front of him and I have to give my utter best when I'm sitting in front of him. Whenever he asks the questions with me from me, so I have to give my best in front of him. So that kind of motivation comes in you whenever he comes. Even if he doesn't give you motivation, he's just teaching you. That kind of motivation runs inside you when he's there because you have to perform the best in front of him.
Yeah, because most of the times, sir is in Lucknow, although he tries to find out equal time for Dehradun as well. And challenges are there. He has to come to Dehradun, then again to Lucknow. So, what all topics have you studied in Shishir sir's class? And give a recap of the same.
So I think Shishi sir came for our dossier profile mapping, that is. So for that he taught us TAT. He took one PPDT also of ours. So in that also I got screened in. I got D, and
You
then
were
he
screened in.
used. Yes, sir.
Good, good.
And so apart from that, he took a VAT session where we were brainstorming everybody. Like he'll give a word and then stand anybody up, and then they'll give a sentence. Like at a flick of a second, because that is what psych is. You have to give it in a blink of an eye because there is just 5 seconds for a single sentence in the VAT. So we used to do brainstorming, and in that also he used to tell us what kind of sentence is yours, like a highly appropriate, that is, and then something is negative, then highly positive, positive. So that kind of rankings he has made for the VAT. So you used to give me mostly. I used to fall in the positive section or moderate section, and then uh, I think apart from them, SRTs also we did with Sushil sir. He used to tell us what kind of approach you have to have in SRTs. Like you have to put commas after every situation that you have reacted in and complete the whole situation. That is when your SRT is being counted. So following that, in my actual SRT also, I did 35 SRTs, but I completed all the SRTs. So I think quality over quantity is what he taught us for the SRT. So I followed the same.
All right, Anshika. Further, I wish to know more about your family and also about your siblings.
Okay. So basically, in my family, I have my father. He's a teacher. My mother is also a teacher, but because of my brother, he's very small right now. So she has left her job and taking care of him. And I have another sibling. That is my sister. She's currently in ninth standard, and she's also thinking of pursuing the same field as me, going into NDA. So I'm very proud of her as well that she's going into the same thing. And talking about my father, I told he's a teacher in the state government, and my mother teaches Hindi, and my father teaches maths. So I think that combination of that has also helped me.
I mean, full support for NDA.
Yes, sir.
And since
Always.
you are the eldest one, so you must have taken up multiple responsibilities in your practical life that might have put you forward in terms of SOR, sense of responsibility.
Yes, sir. I think being the eldest person, you have this responsibility that you have to excel. Even though parents don't pressure you about that, but in your mind, you have this responsibility that you have to excel in every field that you're going in. So I try to be, best in everything that I do.
Okay, this time, how many of family members are listening your interview?
So none of them are here. They said that we are going into the terrace so that you are not disturbed.
Okay, okay. Uh, what about CPSS? You have cleared it and you are all set to join Flying Branch.
So I did not clear CPSs actually. I'm going for ground duty.
You appeared in CPSS.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what were the difficulties?
So actually, the written part that there is where you choose the options and all that, that went well. But the actual that game playing thing, I think I did not get the hang of the joystick, so that's why some of my games went wrong. So because of that, I think that was a difficult part.
Anyways, with your All India rank, your joining letter is must. You will
Yes, sir.
surely get it. So it was really a nice interaction with you, and the objective of this interaction is to inspire and share that success journey with those who are aspiring for the success, because the success is achieved through a lot of hard work, sincerity. और हिंदी में एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है कि किस्मत की लकीरें यूं ही नहीं चमकती, इन्हें चमकाने के लिए मेहनत का रंग चाहिए। तो अगर आपने मेहनत की है तभी किस्मत चमकती है, ये बात फैक्ट है। तो आज इस इंटरेक्शन के माध्यम से कई अच्छे पॉइंट्स बाहर आए। आपने अपनी रिटन की स्ट्रैटेजी शेयर की, एसएसबी की स्ट्रैटेजी शेयर की, तो इट्स गोना बी वेरी यूजफुल। एंड टीम सेंचुरियन की तरफ से आपके करियर के लिए, फर्दर एंडेवर्स के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और आप अपनी सेवाएं देश सेवा के लिए और राष्ट्र सेवा सर्वोपरि की भावना से हमेशा आप अपनी सर्विसेज नेशन फर्स्ट, मिशन ऑलवेज को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप देते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, और यूं ही आप सफलता का परचम, सेंचुरियन का परचम लहराते रहें।
श्योर सर।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद सर।
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी एनडीए 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस एसएसबी कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द एसएसबी पैनल, फ्री एसएसबी कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर एनडीए एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar, and Jai Hind.